But all of us are relying on God. And that's what happens. God does His greatest miracle through our little cooperation. If our faith was that of a mustard seed, then we would see marvels, miracles. And every day we do see miracles. And that's what Anne and Joachim did. Where do we get to know about them? It's not written anywhere in the Gospels. There is something called the Proto-Evangelium of Jacobi. That means the Gospel according to James. And there is a mention made about Joachim and Anne. And we can see how they accompanied Mary. By the fruits you shall know them. So the child grew up beautifully. But not because of parents, but because of the grace of God. We say, Hail Mary, full of grace, the Lord is with you. Blessed are you among women, and blessed is the fruit of your womb, Jesus. This is what we every day say about her and the great marvel that God has done in giving us His Son so that He can start with us as a new creation. And so we see how in our lives, God has given everything good to us. There's nothing bad in us. So where does this bad come from? The evil one plants in the form of good only. In the form of good, the weed is like the wheat only. You can't make out. But those who look at it carefully, they know that this is empty, while the other one is full. They look alike. And so when the evil one tempts us, there is an emptiness in which he sows in us, and we get enamored by it. We think great about it. Why? Because we are very earthly, worldly. And there is where our faith is not strong enough. But if it was strong, then these very weeds, you would take it to the Lord and surrender it to Him. Take it, Lord. But we don't want to. We are still after these things. So what happens to us? We get caught. Only afterwards we will know. Otherwise they look alike. Then you can see the emptiness. When some time has passed by, then we can easily weed out the wheat from the weeds.